Step into the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.